Good afternoon. My name is Mihaela Krishan Vida. I'm a lecturer at the University Polytechnic at Timișoara, Department Automation and Applied Informatics. Today, I will talk about integrated systems supporting the obstetric-gynecology domain. The objectives are managing the medical activity in obstetrics-gynecology department, monitoring the treatments given during admission of pregnant women, increasing newborn rate without problems, improving patient care by giving better treatment, managing the continuity of care by sending the patient information to other units. In the next slide, I will present a short introduction why is needed this type of healthcare information system in obstetric gynecology domain. Prematurity is defined as the birth of newborn before 37 gestational weeks. Preterm birth is a challenge for the intensive care units in obstetrics because sometimes it's important to delay a birth with 1 or 2 days to give chance to the newborn to improve his or her condition. The delays of birth can be done by using different medication, but it's important to monitor the effects. In the next slide, I will present the importance of digital health in healthcare. Digital health can improve the citizen well-being because the medical staff can track the patient health status. But it is important to create an electronic health record starting with mother's pregnancy. For having a complete electronic health record, it is important to ensure the interoperability between medical units, using standards to achieve this as Agile 7 FIRE, which means fast healthcare interoperability resources. Interoperability in healthcare refers to the ability of different information technology systems, software applications, and networks to communicate, exchange, and make use of health information in a coordinated and meaningful way. It is an essential aspect of modern healthcare because it enables physicians, healthcare institutions, and patients to have the right information at the right time, leading to better care, improved healthcare outcomes, and reduced costs. European Health Data Space is an European initiative which tackles the interoperability in Europe. Is an ecosystem relating to health, gathering rules, standards, common practices, and infrastructure that ensure the frame to empower the citizens for digital access and controls related to healthcare data on national and UE level. In the bottom of the page slide, you can see a link where you can find more information about this initiative. In this slide, you can see the system architecture of an obstetric gynecology department information system. You can see here the obstetric gynecology department information system, which is a web-based application, which is on cloud. Why on cloud? Because we want to have the information in real time and also to have a secure communication. Also, this web application can be accessed by patient or by doctors from different devices. It can be computers, tablets, or smartphone. Also, in this system, it was created a module, HSM Fire, which has the ability to send information about the patient to other medical unit information system. This can be national or international medical unit. which can receive the information in a standard format, in our case, LJ7 file. Here in this slide, I will start to talk about obstetric gynecology department information system. In this information system, it's created a computer-based observation chart, which brings fundamental information about the patient for the clinical management. This chart contains data about consultation, investigation, results, treatments, legal correspondence for the case, images resulting from different examinations, and other medical data. This system was developed using Visual Studio.net, using ASP.NET Pages, C# language, and Microsoft SQL Server. This information can be accessed by any devices, PC, laptops, or tablets, because the content is responsive, which means that all the elements in the user interface will fit in the device screen. Here is presented two print screens. The left one is on a computer in a web browser, and you can see there that there are a lot of sections which can be filled for the patient. And in the right side is the interface on a mobile application, and also this interface which can show the data, the data of the patient, and also can add information about the patient treatments, consultation, information about the newborn, and all the medical activities of the patient which stays in the hospital, or if had only a simple consultation. Using standards in healthcare, why is important? Because in this way, the data of the patient can be transmitted to other medical units which is needed. For example, if a patient has a problem in another country, for example, and is unconscious, then that hospital can request information about her, and can, using standards, can receive it. And in this way, the patient will have better treatments and better healthcare. In our case, I will talk about fast healthcare information resources, which you can access that link and find more information about this standard. This standard is for healthcare data exchange, published by HR7, and provides access to medical data via a RESTful API using XML and JSON. Before FHIR, it was CDA, or Clinical Document Architecture, or CCD, Continuity of Care Document, which was a method of structuring a patient's full medical history in an XML document. These two standard was also developed by HR7, but the newest standard is FHIR, which has more components of CDA, but they are separated in smaller, more manageable pieces. Then it can be accessed easier than before. The idea is to be implemented in as much hospital is possible, because in this way the data of the patient can be received in real time. Another concept and another thing which can improve the accessibility of the patient information is cloud computing in healthcare, which offers great potential for quick access to medical information, quick access to medical history of each person and any location, and can help patients to gain access to their medical history from anywhere in the world via the internet. The requirement is to have an internet connection. FAIR, which means findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable, is a set of guiding principles that aim to make digital assets like data and research findings more discoverable and usable by both human and machines. These principles were introduced to improve the infrastructure supporting the reuse of data. What is the motivation of using FAIR principle is to enhance the transparency and reproducibility of scientific research, enables data recovery and integration, and promote the reuse of data in various contexts. Some conclusions related to this paper, that is the integrated system described will be used in obstetric gynecology domain, where it aims to improve the well-being status of the patients. The obstetric gynecology department information system is easily accessed by medical staff and patients from anywhere, with the only condition to have internet access because it's used cloud computing. Using standardized communication, in our case, HS7 FHIR, will ensure the continuity of care and creating the electronic health record of the patient. It is important to ensure the data quality, which can be achieved by applying the FAIR principle, findability, accessibility, interoperability, and reuse. Edges 7 FHIR will use for support FAIR health data. Thank you for your attention.